Chess games, Funny Road versus Yahtzee. Let's see who will be win.
So I'll go.
Remember, that's mind games, so you must think, because that's mind games.
Yeah, baby. This is the bishop, yeah. Bishop and horse, which one is more expensive?
Horse.
Oh.
Remember, your bishop can run
So
until
I can
it's
go
open.
here. Yeah.
Horse. That's your eyes should you look at around the board so that you can see the. So you're stalemate. So you lost the game.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Yahtzee is the winner.
Let's play again.
Yeah.
Outside. It's raining. Why do you want to play outside? It stopped already. The road is still wet.